option. Would you like to donate 100, 500, or 1000 taka? Another tactic, most people donate 500 taka. How much would you like to donate? This relies on social pressure. People sometimes have a hard time saying no because they haven't taken the time to evaluate their relationship and understand the rule within the relationship. When you truly understand the dynamic and your role, you won't feel as worried about the consequence of saying no. You will realize that your relationship is solid and can withstand you saying no. Put the question back. This is highly effective in work situation. Let's say a supervisor is asking you to take on several tasks more than you can handle. You might say, I'm happy to do X, Y, Z, etc. work. However, I would need 3 weeks rather than two to do a good job. How would you like me to prioritize them? If someone can't accept you no, then you know the person is probably not a true friend or doesn't respect you. Stand firm and don't feel compelled to give in just because that person is uncomfortable for you. Put your needs first, not those of the person asking you for something. If you prioritize that person's needs over yours, you will find your productivity will suffer and resentment will mount. At last, I I want to say something that we can learn from Warren Buffett. We said, who said the difference between successful people and very successful people is that very successful people say no to almost everything. Thank you.
পরে কে আছে দাও?
আচ্ছা, গত ক্লাসে কত পর্যন্ত হয়েছিল?
10 পর্যন্ত ক্লাসে 42 থেকে
42 থেকে
42
আছে।
থেকে
আচ্ছা, 42 42
42 তো আছে দেখলাম 42
টু না থাকলে থ্রি দে।
2 নাই,
43
তো
42 না,
আছে
42 না থাকলে আমি দেই 43। 42 কে?
না 42 তো রেসপন্স করে না, তো 43 দাও।
43
আচ্ছা
দে।
আচ্ছা, তাহলে আমি দিলাম। আচ্ছা, স্ক্রিন কি শেয়ার হয়েছে?
জি।
আচ্ছা, Assalamu alaikum. This is Tanvir Naim. I want to present a short speech about our global problem named global warming. Presented by Muhammad Tanvir Naim, IDT 2010043, Department of Textile Engineering, NITER. Here is my preview what I am going to share. Now, what is global warming? Global warming is the unusual rapid increase in Earth's average surface temperature over the past century, primarily due to the greenhouse gases released as people burn fossil fuels. What is greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is a process that occurs when gases in Earth's average atmosphere trap the sun's heat. This process makes Earth much warmer than it would be without an atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is one of the things that makes Earth a comfortable place to live. They causes climate change by trapping heat, and they also contributes to respiratory diseases from smoke and air pollution. Cause of global warming. There are two reasons behind the global warming. One is man-made and another is natural. Deforestation and burning of fossil fuels are the man-made cause of global warming. People cut down trees randomly and don't think about its effect. Climate change and volcanoes are natural cause of global warming. Effect on global warming. Melting of ice in polar region. Ice in the polar region is being melted day by day. As a result, the height of sea water is being higher. It is a threat for the country who live beside the bank of the sea, such as Bangladesh. Water become warmer, so it is being difficult to live in the water for fish and other animals. Effect on plants and animals. Major effect on agriculture. Foods are not produced like before. Farmers are to face many problems. They are to face too much rain or droughts. Ozone layer gets depleted. What can I do to stop global warming? We could all stop driving so much or carpool to save gas or burn so much. Start inventing or buying on more electricity power items. Cut down on having much chemicals or smoke factories put out. Global temperature graph. If we look at the graph, we can see a still clear difference in to 1880 to 2020. In 1880, the average temperature was below 0 degree near minus 0.2 degree. In 1920, it was about minus 0.4 degree. After that, the temperature was rising rapidly. In 2020, it increased to near 1 degree. It is a big threat for us that the temperature is rising. If we want to live safe, we must protect our planet. Thank you. আচ্ছা আমার হয়ে গেছে
44
দেন শুরু করো করতেছি
একটু তাড়াতাড়ি করো, না হলে তো সবাই কভার করতে পারবো না, এমনিতেই তো সময় নাই।
স্ক্রিন শেয়ার হইছে
সিনসিয়ার হয়েছে। তুমি তো হোয়াইট বোর্ড শেয়ার করছো নাকি?
ওইটা তো শেয়ার হয় না।
স্ক্রিন লেখা আছে না অপশন, শেয়ার করার পরে স্ক্রিন অপশন আসলে স্ক্রিনে ক্লিক করো।
করছে কিন্তু ওইটা আসে না।
ও তো প্রবলেম।
হ্যাঁ
তুমি এক কাজ করো, আমারে মেইল করো, আমি শেয়ার দিব নি, তুমি বলো নি। এখন 45 শুরু করো, মানে পরেরটা যাক, তারপরে তুমি মেইল করো, আমি শেয়ার দিব না।
হ্যাঁ,
আচ্ছা
কারো এত সমস্যা হলে তার পরের জন দাও, এই সময় নষ্ট করো না। যারও সমস্যা হচ্ছে তোমরা নিজেদের ভেতরে ডিসকাস করে কিভাবে সর্ট আউট করা যায় সেটা দেখে বাকিরা কন্টিনিউ করতে থাকো। একজন যদি এত সময় নিয়ে ফেলো বাকিরা তো কভার করতে পারবে না।
জি ম্যাডাম, 45 তো নাই। 46 দাও।
আমি দিলাম তাহলে 40।
হ্যাঁ 46।
শেয়ার হয়েছে?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ দেখা যায়।
Hello everyone, my name is Naimul Islam Tanvir. Today my topic name is water pollution. Water pollution. What is water pollution? Water pollution can be defined in usually it means one or more substances that build up in water to such an extent that they cause problems for animals or people. Source of water. Around the world, there are many sources which occur water pollution. I want to mention some major sources of water pollution, such as from agriculture activities. The agriculture industry covers 76% of the land area of the problems happen when agriculture process such as uncontrolled fertilizer, it causes water pollution. Then the river dumping. Lots of people dump plastic, bottles, garden cutting and electrical waste to the rivers or river banks. This is illegal and the river dumping not only causes water pollution, it also harms wild and increasing flooding. Effect of water pollution. Effect of water. For that section, I want to explain its effect on the human health. If there is a greater association between pollution and health problems. Diseases causing microorganisms are known as pathogens, and these pathogens are spreading diseases directly among humans. Many waterborne diseases are spreading man to man. Prevent of water pollution. Conservation was without conservation, we will not go so far. Make sure the world has better access to clean water. It means being aware that water is important resource, taking care of it accordingly, manage and responsibility. Storm water. Storm water management is the effort to reduce runoff rainwater. So we need to manage storm water. Then we should work on wastewater treatment. Wastewater treatment consists of removing pollutants from wastewater through a physical, chemical, and biological process. The more effectively the processes are helpful for keeping water clean. Thank you, everyone. Well,
47।
Okay, 46.
তর্পণ ওই মাইকটা একটু ঠিক কর। হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে।
Welcome everyone. Myself Bahaduddin Dorpon.
কি করছে ভাই?
Welcome everyone. Myself Bahaduddin Dorpon, NEET 10th batch. Today my presentation topic is traffic jam. So what is traffic jam? Traffic jam is a common affair in big cities and towns nowadays. It occurs due to heavy rush of vehicles on the road and mainly occurs near the bus stand or near a big market. Traffic jam is a serious road hazard today. Let us discuss some major problems and disadvantages that arise due to high traffic. Traffic made the lives of people really difficult. People experience delays for their important work. Emergency vehicles like the fire brigade and ambulance get stuck up in the traffic jams that causes a delay in reaching the location. Traffic is the emission of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere leading to the issue of global warming. Time-bound business are strongly affected by the traffic jam. The managed problem are lack of resources like fuel, environment polluted by air and noise pollution. It increases stress, sorry, it increases stress and frustration among passengers. Unproductive time is the major disadvantage of traffic jam. Let us discuss about some suggestions to solve the traffic jam problem. People should use public transport and the government must increase the facilities of public transport. Everyone should avoid the unnecessary collections of vehicles. Condition of the road in Bangladesh is not good. Authorities must improve this situation. People must be aware of traffic rules and also be motivated to follow strictly. Vehicle registrations and motor driving license policy must be strictly implemented. Mixed traffic on the roads is also a big reason for it, so it must be banned. Thus, traffic jam is a serious issue in every big city, several problems for common people. It consumes so much of time, energy unnecessarily, and hence the loss of life. Therefore, serious measures have to be taken by the authorities. Development of public transport network at economical rate is essential. People should drive more sensibly and responsibly. Hence, we all can work in this way to solve this big threat of the current time. Thank you. শেষ।
44 আছে?
48 এর হলো
আছে।
ওর ম্যাডাম।
আচ্ছা, আমি শেয়ার দিচ্ছি, আগে 44 টা শেষ হয়ে যাক, তারপরে
Assalamu alaikum. I am Adil Ahanaf Rafi. Today the topic of my presentation, virtual reality. Contents. There are so many contents of virtual reality. What is virtual reality? History, type of virtual reality, hardware use in virtual reality, application of virtual reality, advantage and disadvantage. What is virtual reality? Virtual reality means feeling the imaginary world rather than the real one. The imaginary world is a simulation running in a computer. Virtual reality is the term used for computer-generated 3D environments that allow the user to enter and interact with alternate realities. The definition of virtual is near, and reality is what we experience as human being. History. more than one person has been involved in the development of this technological system. In 1915, visionary cinematography Morton Hillock built a single-user console called Sensorama. This enabled the user to watch television in three-dimensional ways. Types of virtual reality. There are three types of virtual reality: immersive virtual reality, non-immersive virtual reality, window on world virtual reality.
পিন করবে কোন সময় এখন
Immersive virtual reality.
খোলা লাগবে হ্যাঁ
অনেক স্ক্রিনটাও করে তো
তুলছি তো দেখছ না
হ্যাঁ গেছে Immersion into virtual reality is a perception of being physically present in non-physical world. Element of virtual environment that increase the immersiveness of the experiment. Continuity of surrounding, conformance of human vision, freedom of movement, physical interaction, physical feedback. Non-immersive virtual reality. Large display but doesn't surround the user. Window on world virtual reality. Desktop based virtual reality involves displaying a three-dimensional virtual on regular desktop display without use of any specialized movement tracking environment. Hardware device. There are two hardware device: input device, output device. Input device: Prio VR, Razer Hydra, Lab, Morton, Steam, Magic Wind, Control VR. Output device: headset 3 audio, উপরে তো Sensing gloves, Helsinki. Application on virtual reality. Virtual reality in the military, virtual reality in healthcare. উপরে তোল
তুলছি এটার কারণে একটু স্লো যাচ্ছে হয়তো এবার আসছে আসছে
না আরো উপরে তোল
এবার
লাস্টের দিকে
ঠিক আছে তোর ওখানে কোনটা আছে
না হয় নাই তো হ্যাঁ হয়েছে হ্যাঁ virtual reality and scientific visualization, virtual reality in entertainment. আরেকটু উপরে তো
না চেক করে দিই মানে
একটু
এই 5 নাম্বার ওই যে virtual reality in entertainment.
বের হইতে যাওয়া লাগবে
ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে
রেকর্ড হতে আছে
হয় নাই
বেশি যাই দিয়ে বুঝছো একটা যাই দিয়ে
না হয় না এই অ্যাডভান্টেজ আর ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজ ওটা বাকি আছে
এই আমি অ্যাডভান্টেজ আর ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজে আছি তোর ওখানে কি
আসে নাই
দেখাচ্ছে
তো আমার কাছে
আই একটু ওয়েট কর নেট স্লো মনে হয়
না হয় নাই তো
তোর ওখানে
হয়েছে
কোনটা আছে ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে Rafi?
Advantage and disadvantage. Advantage. Virtual reality creates a realistic world. It enables users to explore place, though virtual reality user can experiment with an artificial environment. Virtual reality makes the education more easily and comfort. Disadvantage. The equipment used in virtual reality are very expensive. It consists of complex technology. The in virtual reality environment we can move by our own life in the real world. Thank you.
এবার 48 থেকে আবার
ম্যাম 48 এর ও আসতে পারতেছে না, ওর মোবাইল নষ্ট হয়েছে তো এই জন্য দিতে বলছে আমাকে।
তাহলে 49
হ্যাঁ সেই দাঁড়াও স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করতেছি। স্ক্রিন শেয়ার হয়েছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. Hello everyone. I am Abdul Wahid Mullah. Today I am going to discuss about coronavirus and its impact on Bangladesh. So let's start with what is coronavirus. Coronavirus is a disease caused by a novel coronavirus. This virus, also known as severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2. Coronavirus is also called COVID-19. It is an acronym which derived from Coronavirus Disease 2019. On March 11, 2020, the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 is a global pandemic. It is first designation since declaring H1N1 influenza a pandemic in 2009. World Health Organization first learned about this new virus from cases in Wuhan, China on 31 December 2019. Symptoms. COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. Most common symptoms of coronavirus patients will be fever, dry cough, tiredness. Less common symptoms will be aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, loss of taste or smell, a rash on skin, discoloration of fingers or toes. Precaution. You have to protect yourself and others around you by knowing the facts and taking appropriate precautions. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and others to reduce your risk of infection when they cough or speak. Make wearing a mask a normal part of being around other people. Make sure it covers both your nose, mouth, and chin. Clean your hands. Use soap and water. Avoid to make your environment safer. Avoid the 3 Cs. Spaces that are closed, crowded, or involve close contact. Meet people outside. Outdoor gatherings are safer than indoor ones, particularly if indoor spaces are small and without outdoor air coming. Diagnosis. What test anyone should do if he or she has COVID-19? In most situations, a molecular test is used to detect SARS-CoV-2 and confirm COVID-19. Polymerase chain reaction is the most commonly used molecular test. Samples are collected from the nose and throat without a swab. Molecular tests detect virus in the sample by amplifying viral genetic material to detectable levels. For this reason, a molecular test is used to confirm an active infection, usually within a few days of exposure and around the time that symptoms may begin. To date, there are no specific vaccines or medicines for COVID-19. Treatments are under investigation and will be tested through clinical trials. Cases of COVID-19 in world and Bangladesh. As of 8 November 2020, in the world, most 50 million cases of coronavirus are found. Among them, 12.5 million people are already dead, and 219 countries are affected by the COVID-19. In Bangladesh, 4.2 lakh corona cases are found, and 6,067 people are dead. Impact of COVID-19 on Bangladesh. IMF published a report in mid-June on Bangladesh said that the economic impact of COVID-19 has most notably been felt in three main areas: fall in remittance, a decline in RMG exports, and a drop in domestic economic activities. Garment exports fell 18.12% year on year to $27.94 billion in fiscal year 2019-20. 84% of our total national exports. Overall exports also fell 25.99% short of its annual target of $45.50 billion. According to World Bank, there is a risk that the pandemic will trigger to long-lasting rise in poverty, especially in low-income countries like Bangladesh. COVID-19 is leading two things: mass unemployment and increased poverty. A study done by Bragg revealed that about 36% city dwellers had lost their jobs and 3% did not receive salaries despite having jobs. To prevent the spread of coronavirus, Bangladesh has imposed a strict lockdown on Cox's Bazar, the southern district that is home to refugee camps housing more than a million Rohingya Muslims fleeing from Myanmar. No one is allowed to enter or leave. Overwhelmed health system. There was no preparedness in Bangladeshi health system. When COVID-19 began spreading in Asia, many doctors and nurses do not have personal protective equipment. A large number of doctors do not feel safe and secure to work in hospitals. Bangladesh, only 500 ventilators and a few hundred ICU beds at the beginning. Many hospitals are turning away patients with COVID-19 symptoms. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you. আমার শেষ হয়েছে।
50, 51. $51.09. 52. Abel share দে। আসে। ফুল স্ক্রিন করে দে।
Good morning, ma'am. Let me start by telling you a little bit about myself. I'm Mir Abdul Mujahid, ID 2010052. I'd like to talk to you about mobile phone. We are here today to agree mobile phone is a very important device for our modern world. It has added a new dimension. It has added a new dimension for our life and communication. The mobile phone can be used to communicate over long distance without wires. Through mobile phone, we can send messages to distant places, play games and sports, know about present time, solve the work of calculation, be aware of different kinds of news and views. We share files by Bluetooth, play video games and take photos and videos, etc. Dr. Martin Cooper of Motorola made the first cell call using mobile phone in 1973. He did not like to use the type of cellular mobile phone network that we use today. After that, the first cellular mobile phone networks were created in 1973 in Japan. The Motorola Dentic 800X is in 1984. It becomes the first commercial available and had cellular mobile phone. The number of mobile phone users in the world in below. The graph shows us the number of mobile phone users in the world. In the year 2015, the number of mobile phone users was 4.43 billion. Uh, the number increased in the next year and it was 4.61 billion. The increase continued to grow, which came to 4.77 billion in 2017. After that, in 2018 and 19, it stand in 4.93 billion and 7.07 5.07 billion. Parts of a mobile phone. Mobile phone have so many parts. Those are a circuit board containing the mobile phone, the brain of a mobile phone, an antenna, a liquid crystal display, a keyboard. Not like that. Not like the one we can found in a TV remote control. A microphone, a speaker, a battery. In the modern mobile phone, we have a camera, a flashlight, and so many things. Types of a mobile phone. Mobile phone on mobile phone have a types of mobile phone, smartphone and a feature phone. A majority of a new mobile phone from the 2021 centuries smartphone. Those phones are basically a small computer. Besides calling, they can be used from email, browsing the internet, playing music and games, and many other functions that computer can perform. Picture phone. Picture phone provide voice call and text message functionality. Advantage and disadvantage of a mobile phone. By mobile phone, we can send messages distant places and calling to other peoples. It is small and converting. It can be moved easily and quickly from places to places. We take photos and videos by the mobile phone. We play videos, games, songs by the mobile phone. Disadvantage of a mobile phone. The minor children are affected much. Scientists believe that using of a mobile phone causes brain tumor, gastric damage. They said that millions of people are getting benefits but damage. The blood pressures get high and red blood pressure, red blood cell are damaged if a person get continuous playing a mobile phone. Photos and videos mean no privacy. The hacker or other people can hack our public picture. So private use crime by mobile phone. Use children occurs so many crime by mobile phone. Top 5 smartphone company. The first position is Samsung. It is for 42%. Then second is Apple. It is 28%. Then Huawei 14%, Xiaomi 10%, Oppo 6%. However, despite its advantage, is necessity of a mobile phone cannot be denied to our practical life. So thank you. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum.
Three. 53. Nothing.
দেখা যায়?
হ্যাঁ শুরু কর।
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. Welcome to my presentation. Myself is Rafin Islam. My presentation topic is Harmony OS. What is Harmony OS? Harmony OS is an open source free microkernel based distributed operating system developed by Huawei. Open source refers to an openly distributed program code, including codes that are free of charges, that can be utilized and modified by the end users without restrictions. And the microkernel means the minimum software that is required to correctly implement an operating system. That is includes memory, processing schedule, mechanism, DRAM, and basics inter-process communications. This OS was initially released in August 2019. The latest version of this OS is Harmony OS 2.0. History of these operating systems. After banning Huawei in US, the Huawei make a master plan. Huawei made Harmony OS. Harmony OS is a multi-platform OS. Multi-platform typically means capable of running on two or more different hardware platforms. For example, versions of software available for Windows, Mac, desktop, or Android or Apple iOS environment are multi-platform, as is software that is available for iOS and Android mobile device. Huawei was developing this in middle of 2012. The governing body of Huawei said the Harmony OS is a embedded operating system which was used in IoT-based device. The CEO of Huawei said that they're developing this OS since 2012 because of to make a good alternative OS instead of Android. Huawei officially unveiled this operating system in HDC 2019.
In 2020, Huawei released the latest version of this OS, which is called HarmonyOS 2.0. HarmonyOS is faster than Android. Because of Harmony, HarmonyOS is 16% faster than Android because as HarmonyOS uses distributed data management as task scheduling, Huawei claims that these distributed technologies are more efficient in performance than Android. As Android uses a lot of redundant code, has a of fragmentation issue and outdated scheduling mechanism. Huawei built its new OS with a deterministic latency engine, which provides a minimum latency and a smooth interactive experience. According to Huawei, it has resulted in up to 25.17% response latency and 55.6% latency fraction improvement. HarmonyOS is secure than Android. Huawei has developing a formal verification method and restricted access to many routes and may have extend the security mode. And Huawei will handle its security issue because US banned Huawei for this Huawei's security issues. This OS is not only for phone, laptop, watch, or tablet, but it also for kitchen appliances like micro oven, fridge, refrigerator, deep freezer, and induction oven, and so many appliances, literally everything. Thank you. This is my presentation. অনেক শেষ
এরপরে 54 আছে 54 আছে 54
অনেক 54 আছে অনেক
54 আছে হ্যাঁ
আচ্ছা
আচ্ছা এরপরে তুমি শেষ করে এখন যে দিচ্ছ তোমার রোল কত 54
জি ম্যাম
আচ্ছা তুমি লাস্ট ওয়ান ঠিক আছে
আসসালামু আলাইকুম জি ম্যাম
ঠিক আছে
myself Hasibul Islam. Today I am giving a presentation about road accident prevention and control. An accident is an unplanned event that sometimes have inconvenient or undesirable consequence, other time being inconsequential. The most important thing is that we don't learn about from our mistake. Accident may happen due to overspeed, without wearing helmet, without wearing seatbelt, while talking in phone, not following traffic rules. Overspeed. Most of the fatal accidents occurs due to overspeeding. It is a natural psyche of humans to excel. If given a chance, man is sure to achieve infinity in speed. It can be controlled by during at low speed, and the breakers has anti-lock braking system. Talking in mobile phone. The major distraction nowadays is talking on mobile phone. Act of talking on mobile phone occupies major portion of brains, and the smaller part handles the driving skills. Without wearing helmet. Without wearing helmet is the very big headache for the drivers because it may lead to accidents. Without wearing seatbelts. Use seatbelts in four-wheelers is now mandatory, and not wearing seatbelt invites penalty. Same in the case of helmets for two-wheeler. Signs of traffic signal. Traffic and routes safety sign. Learn about different traffic symbols such as mandatory signs, cautionary signs, and informatory signs. Prevention of road accident. Strict punishment should be enforced by government if a person drive in overspeed. Tamper speed controls should be installed in all vehicles. Two-wheelers should not exceed 50 to 70 km per hour. The rules should be followed properly by the people.